Alright guys, look on your screen right here. What is this that you see right here? I know it's a big ocean liner or big boat, if you will, but that's not what I'm talking about. What about are these things that you see on this boat? These crate looking things right here, these containers. You know what those are? Those are called shipping containers. And these boats haul these shipping containers from all over the world to other places in the world, carrying not only cars and electronics and all kinds of different products and merchandise from all over the world to other places in the world where people want to sell them or people want to purchase them. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get involved into the shipping container business and make anywhere from $400 to $7,000 per month part-time on your own schedule. Alrighty, so that's the first thing you want to do. What do they people? Why would people want to buy shipping containers? Well, here's one of the reasons right here. If we come over to here, you can see here that people are buying shipping containers and making beautiful homes out of those shipping containers. This is a hot market. Shipping containers have been hot for quite a few years, and there are lots of others down here. You can see that people are buying these shipping containers, used ones, and making beautiful homes and even other types of storage that they use them for, and so on and so forth. If this sounds interesting to you, you want to get involved in making anywhere from $400 to $7,000 a month in the shipping container business, well, stick around. We're getting ready to get started on this. But right now, before we do, though, I want to come back over here to my channel, and I want to invite those of you that are new to my videos or to my channel that you see here on your screen. And if you, anytime during this video, you think about it, reach down there and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click that little notification bell so that you get notified when I upload new videos, such as this one right here today. Also, anytime during the video that you feel like it, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me. It'll help my YouTube algorithm on my channel and so on and so forth. Thanks a lot, guys. Alright, let's go ahead and get started in on this. Yeah, people are buying shipping containers and doing lots of different really cool things with them, such as this. And what you want to do to get involved in this is come over here to this site right here. It's called Used Connex. You see it right here, but look up here in the address bar, guys. It's usedconnex.com. That's the site right there, and you can see here buy used shipping containers right here. And Connex is Connex is another word for shipping containers. All it is. That's what Connex is. And you can see that this site down here offers a lot of different services, modifications, relocations, rent them, and a certificate with them that you can get, I guess, and also offer other wide range of container services, such as the largest inventory used containers, guaranteed lowest prices, expert in quality inspection, industry-leading warranties. They even give a warranty on these to people, and 5-star nationwide delivery. Container rentals and relocations, financing containers, providing CSC certificates, not quite sure what that is, and container modifications as well. And you can see that what they're offering down here is you get new ones. You can buy perfectly brand new ones and or used cargo worthy ones and used wind and watertight ones. And some of them will have dents and surface rust and things like that on it, but that's okay because most people, like you saw right here, most people paint them and make them look brand new and paint them to whatever color they want and that kind of thing when they're building their home or whatever they're using their shipping container for. As you come over here and it talks about, you can watch a video on what one of their customers say here. And benefits of buying a container is convenience, always having your items within reach without having to drive to a storage center. So you could put one of these shipping containers on your own property and use it as a storage place to store all whatever you want to store. And it's lower cost, no more monthly fees for a storage space. Will save you from breaking your bank, and safety. What's safer than a lockable shipping container that is made out of steel, right? And it comes down, talks a little bit more about us right here. It says we are a leading retail company supplying and delivering second-hand shipping containers all over the United States. We work directly with the shipping lines and shipping container manufacturers who bring thousands of containers into the country regularly. We buy new and used shipping containers in bulk, and we store them at some of the biggest depots around the country, and that's how we can provide the best quality shipping containers at the lowest prices. in the industry. And you can read a little bit more about this on your own. I won't take the time to read that second two paragraphs here. And they're a member of the Better Business Bureau, the National Portable Storage Association, and the Green Business Bureau as well. And it's got some blog posts. And you can see here that they are available in most cities and states all around the country here, and so on and so forth. And you can get them just about anywhere, and they will ship it to you, and so on and so forth. So that's what that's about. The used Conex is about, but how can you make money with this company? All right. Well, what you want to do is we came over here to this site. I come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called We Work Remotely, and look up here in the address. It's weworkremotely.com right there. You see that? And I typed into their search engine right here. I typed in used Conex, and it came up with this right here, guys. Remote hiring several customer support agents. Now, it's only available in the United States, guys. This is not, unfortunately, is not available all over the world from this company. But you might do a little search if you're in another part of the world. Do a little search. There may be a company over in your area that does this same type of thing, and they may be hiring customer support or sales agents in your area. Okay, but this particular site here, Used Conex, is just based in the U.S. only. It says right here, we are hiring 100 plus sales and customer support agents to sell shipping containers part-time, guys. See that? Part-time. Now, so they're looking for, they've got a lot. It could be anywhere from 100 to 200 positions available that they're looking to fill here. So you can get in on this starting right today at the end of this video. All right. So stick around here. Now it comes down here. It says we're located in Tampa, Florida, but you can work anywhere in the U.S. Please only apply if you live in the U.S., which is what I told you earlier. It says right here, daily training is provided on how it will help you increase your sales or increase your ability to make this kind of money that I'm talking about. So it's a 1099 position, flexible hours, part-time, and an excellent company to work for. It says here daily training is provided and great pay. You don't need to have any sales experience, so it takes no experience in sales to do this. But it says here if you have sales experience, it is a plus. All right. It says here you just have to be friendly, have great English grammar, and have persuasion skills. Flexible working schedule. This job is perfect for someone who already works full-time and is looking for extra income. It's great commission pay too, and a great remote work culture environment. It says many digital nomads. That's just people that work from all over the world, anywhere they want to work. You can do this job from the beach if you have internet access, right? That's a digital nomad, works from anywhere. And it says here even stay-at-home moms work here as well. There aren't set hours. You work when you want, Monday through Friday, guys. And then look right here. Here's what we're looking at. You can make anywhere from $400 to $7,000 per month here with Used Conex. All depends on you and how many ads you post a day and how friendly and persuasive you are. And then they have a video that you could watch here about it. And they got a Facebook page, Facebook group, and so on and so forth. And then so on and so forth down through here. Basically just click apply for this position right here, and you can click here as well to apply for it, guys. And it brings you over here to this site right here. Back to usedconex.com. Join our team, it says here. It's based in Florida with customers and team members all over the United States. And it talks to, here's a person that's worked with it for a while and tells her testimony. And then, but right here's the application. What you want to do is you want to put in your full name here, first and last name. It's everywhere you see required, that's going to be required. And then either choose customer service or sales agent. Either one of those two. I mean, if you're a truck driver, you want to drive for them, you can do that too. And here's a dispatch assistant, so on and so forth. But for this job, it's either customer service or sales agent. You can click either one of those. Put in a good email address here. If you have a Facebook profile or a Facebook page with your profile, put that in here too. In fact, it's required, guys. Down here, tell us a little bit more about yourself, it says, and your previous job experiences. That's required. And down here, please mention how you heard about us, it says here, and that's required. In that box right there, you can put in Kevin Lehner, YouTube channel if you like, okay? And then just go ahead and click on submit there, guys, and submit your application to Used Connex to join their team. And pretty soon somebody's going to get back with you, and they'll work with you and see if you're a good fit to join their team right here. And you can be making anywhere from $400 to $7,000 per month working this job right from your comfort of your home or anywhere you want to work, guys. And just come over and you can help people buy these shipping containers and be able to build their dream home right through your own job with this company. Alrighty, well guys, that is the video I had for you today. It's a great way to get in and make some really good money working part-time for a company that is looking for over 100 people to join their team and be sales agents or customer service representatives. Alrighty, guys, if you like this video, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. Also, if you got any comments about this particular video, reach down there below in the comment section. Just leave them there and I'll get back with you on it as soon as I can. Also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, and you want to reach down there in the top of my description and click where it says mentorwithkev.com. You come over and come through and watch a free video presentation that'll teach you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer making anywhere in the thousands of dollars per day's possibility. Okay? Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with all that, and I'll see you again here in a few days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day now. Bye-bye.